I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking, and today I am making a blueberry cobbler. This was actually requested. A cobbler was actually mentioned by a couple people. I think Stalker Steve mentioned it, but the one that requested a blueberry cobbler was one of my faithful subs, Richard. So Richard, this is for you. This is really easy to do, and I'm going to do it in my Lodge 8 cast iron pan, and I'll show you how easy it is. A good friend of ours has some nice blueberry bushes, and I'll zoom in here and show you the goodies, and I'll start picking all those goodies. So we'll see how I do here. Some for the basket, some for me. So good. See what we can make with these. If I get enough, I'll do some blueberry jelly for preserves, some blueberry pies, maybe some blueberry cobbler, and we usually freeze some. So, fresh blueberries here. I actually picked these, and we're going to throw these in a dish and take some fresh lemon. All this is the blueberries and fresh lemon and some butter and beaten egg and sugar and flour, and that's all there is to this. Squeeze my lemon. Blueberries and lemon are a classic flavor profile. They always go well together, like a lemon cake with some blueberries, or blueberry cake with some lemon icing. Just delicious. Now we'll mix the cobbler part. We got a cup of flour and 3/4 cup of sugar and 1 beaten egg. I'm just going to mix that together. You can make cobbler a couple different ways. You can actually put the cobbler cake part in your pan first, and some people actually put the berries on top and it goes down and mixes in. I'm making more of the traditional kind, which you put the fruit in first and then this goes over the top. And I like either one, but this is the more traditional one, and this is a really nice, simple, easy recipe to do it that way. So I have this in my meal. It make it like a meal consistency here, and I'm going to put this over my berries. So side. Just spread it around like that. And then I'm going to take the melted butter. This is where the melted butter comes in handy. And we're just going to drizzle that over the top like this. Oh man, this is going to be so good. This is simple but beautiful. And you know, a lot of times simple is the most beautiful. This is going to go into my preheated oven at 375 for half an hour. Okay guys, here it is, straight out of the oven, the blueberry cobbler. You know what comes next. I'm going to let this cool off just a little bit, and then I'm going to dish this up and we're going to give it a taste. So, you know what time it is. Take a look at that. Blueberry cobbler. Of course, I've got a little whipped topping here. And or vanilla ice cream would really be great with this. But that's what it looks like. And we're going to give it a try. It's still pretty warm. That was so good. Seriously, guys, that is absolutely freaking awesome. I'm telling you, really, really awesome. Really awesome. So that's it. Easy blueberry cobbler. Nothing to put together, requires very few ingredients, ready in no time. And this took a little bit longer, about 35 minutes, probably depends upon your stove. But you'll know because the top gets, you know, done and nice and golden and a little crust on it. And then you'll know it's done. So that's how I make blueberry cobbler. Tastes great in the cast iron. And join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Subscribe and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.